Winter's magic, the snow falls softly, pure and bright, covering the world in sparkling white. The air is chilly, the sky's so clear. Winter whispers, the magic is here. We pull on boots and scarves so snug, and sip warm cocoa from a steaming mug. Our cheeks turn red as we laugh and play in the frosty fun of a wintry day. Snowflakes twirl as they dance from the sky, like tiny stars fluttering by. We catch them gently on mittened hands, each one unique, like nature's plans. The ice on the pond is smooth and clear, skaters swirl with grace and cheer. A snowman stands with his carrot nose, in a garden of frost where nothing grows. The trees wear jackets of icy lace, the world transformed, a magical place. Winter's wonder fills the air, a season of beauty beyond compare. So bundle up, let's go explore the snowy season we all adore.